guys, this is Tori at Tori Eats Vegan, and I'm bringing you a new vegan recipe today. Today I am making a cozy wintertime soup. Who doesn't love tomato spinach soup? So good. This is gonna be better than Panera bread. So if you're super excited about this recipes, please give me a like. So what really makes this soup stand out is the spinach cream sauce we're about to make. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So we're just going to stuff this full of spinach. I think it's about 2 cups. We're going to put about 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, or a little bit more. I love some nooch. And then we're going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil. And of course, the full recipe will be in the description box below, so please check that out. Then we're going to add some of these roasted tomatoes. They're cooked in oil, and oh my gosh, it brings so much flavor to this soup. It's going to be so fire. All right, now I'm just going to add some seasoning to it. So I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper and just a tad bit of salt to bring all the flavors out. And then we're just going to put this in our high performing Ninja blender. Love this thing. And just pulse until it's nice and smooth and creamy. It'll kind of resemble a pesto. All right, now we're going to add some basil. You can't have tomato soup without basil, so I'm just gonna pick all the leaves off the stems, and I am going to chop this up very finely. You don't want to get big pieces of basil in your soup. All right, let's assemble our soup now. So we're gonna start with a little bit of olive oil. Now we're gonna add our spices. All my spices will be in the recipe in the description box below, so check that out. And I always like to toast up my seasonings first and my spices just to bring the most out of the spices that you can. And then we're gonna add our whole peeled tomatoes. With the juice, we need all the juice. And then we're gonna add a little bit of tomato sauce. And then we're gonna add this vegan protein broth, or you can use regular vegetable broth. This gives it a nice creamy consistency. And then we're gonna add our basil that we just chopped up. And then we're gonna add our spinach pesto sauce thing. Oh my gosh, it's gonna give it so much flavor. Please do not skip this part. And then we're gonna add a little bit of pepper and just a tad bit of salt. And we're gonna bring this all together, let it cook for about 10 minutes, letting the tomatoes soften, and we're gonna bring it to a slight simmer. Oh, look at that. I had to slow it down for you guys. Like, oh, I cannot wait to jump into this soup. It's super simple to put together too. Like, it tastes so good. It tastes like it's been on the oven all day. And that's the result that we want. All right, so instead of taking it and put it into a blender like most recipes are, I'm just gonna use a potato smasher, but if you want that smooth, creamy consistency, then I would definitely put it in the blender, but this does good enough for me. I love a little bit of chunk in my tomato soup. All right, now we're gonna add our coconut cream. Instead of using regular milk, we're gonna use coconut cream just to give it that nice creamy consistency. All right, let's plate our dish. So I'm just gonna fill up the bowl with some soup. I put a lot in this bowl. I'm gonna eat every bit of it. And I got my crusty bread that's a little older, a little stale, so good. Best bread to dip into soup. And then we're gonna add a little bit of coconut cream on top just for a little prettiness for the picture. And I'm gonna add a little bit of red pepper flakes on top for garnish. Yum! Literally, I ate all of the soup, like, not even gonna play. It was so good. Hi guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video. Again, my name is toreeeats, and you can find me on Instagram and on here bringing you new recipe videos every single week. So if you find value out of my videos, please subscribe and click the little bell below so you get notifications on when I post. So with that, I'll see you in the next video.